You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name correctly. This is a name originally from German. It has a different spelling in German and a different pronunciation. If you want to learn, by the way, more confusing names and correct pronunciation, stay tuned. Schroeder, that's the German pronunciation, with an O, with an umlaut, with 2 dots. Schroeder, that's the German spelling and pronunciation. In English, it's generally pronounced as Schroeder, Schroeder, or American English, Schroeder. Do you pronounce it any other ways? How do you pronounce it? And where are you from? Let us know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.